Hi, this is David with entry number 504, 505, here in Singapore once again. I'm right by Singapore SMU, Singapore something University. It's kind of like a technical school, I think. Not really a technical school, it's like one of their two big universities here on the island. I'm here and just want to review and say that the last couple of days have been really awesome. Getting a lot of good food, and just really kind of in awe of how much the country has changed in the last couple of years. It's pretty astounding to see the amount of change that's gone on. I'm not saying it's like very drastic, but it is enough to kind of notice and really kind of be shocked about how much change has gone. An update, yesterday I went over, and I think I said before in the last video that my little coffee shop place that I had gone to before was closed. And today I went over to one of the other locations I thought it might be, and turned out that it was actually still open there, but it wasn't. I don't think the owner, Mr. Byron, is a part of that location anymore. He probably sold the franchise and trained the staff on how to make his kaya and his kopi, and so it's changed a bit, but it is still pretty close to what I remember his tasting like. So I guess that's a pretty good sign that I could still go there. It's a bit expensive, I think $4.10, but still pretty cheap for breakfast. Another news: the weather is very hot. I am sweating a little bit, but not a lot. Just a little on the upper lip. Probably if I shave my mustache, I'll probably be okay, but that's not going to happen anytime soon. Today was good. I went out and had a lot of little misadventures. I went over to Orchard Road, which is the big shopping area here, and it's still staggeringly big, as it always was, just taking in the scope of how large it is, and just really kind of being psyched by the size of it. It's pretty awesome. Other than that, though, it's been a pretty normal day. It hasn't rained today, which is good. Typically, I think it rains about once a day, but yesterday and today, I don't think it rained at all. So maybe in the next couple of days, we might get a pretty good downpour. But you never know. A couple of other notes, just on cultural stuff. I noticed how much there's like a different style here than Korea, a very different style. And because it's so hot, you can't wear as much clothes. And so shorts are definitely a thing. Right now I'm wearing jeans, for better or for worse. But shorts and short sleeve shirts and short pants and all that kind of stuff are kind of a necessity here because of how hot it is. But other than that, the haircuts are a little different. They're still pretty crazy, pretty like really short and long on the top. But it's weird. But it's a little different. But it's kind of similar. But it is interesting to kind of see all the little nuances that separate this country from other Asian countries. There's still a lot of Chinese spoken in the shops and stuff, and a lot of tourism from China. It's really fun actually seeing the Koreans here. I've seen a few, maybe about a dozen total, but they're very noticeable because they're very light-skinned and very I don't know, there's just a certain look to them that you kind of see that separates them from the Chinese or the Japanese tourists. But it is fun to see them. I guess I've kind of gotten really used to kind of their appearance. The other point I should make too is how there's a pretty dramatic difference, I would say, in like beauty here. It's definitely not the same. I've gotten so used to what Koreans find beautiful, that when I first got here, it was just like everyone is just kind of average, whatever. But yeah, over the last couple of days, it's kind of gotten a little more interesting. Um, there's like a look that they have here that Koreans would find pretty distasteful, in terms, not distasteful, but just not attractive, and kind of rejiggering your mind to kind of accept different standards of beauty is always something that takes a little practice. But other than that, it's been good. I kind of remember how to get everywhere, so it's not really that difficult. But other than that, I'd say it's pretty solid. So anyway, that's about it for today. I'll talk to you in a few more days. Bye.